Delhi-based Rajput families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled, then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Rajput marriage bureau from Rajput wedding planners in Delhi. A wedding planner for Rajput elite and middle class families in Delhi. A marriage bureau passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fit all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Rajput bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Delhi. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Both a union territory within India as well as a city and features two different worlds, New Delhi and Old Delhi. The former, inaugurated by the British in 1931 to serve as the imperial capital, is the nation's modern capital and seat of government, while Old Delhi is considered by many as the symbolic heart of the greater metropolitan city. One of the most populous regions in the world, Delhi is a heady mix of tradition and modernity, important as both a religious center and India's busiest international gateway. Its history is as old as the ancient Yamuna River, one of the most sacred rivers in Hinduism and a natural dividing line between New Delhi to the west and Old Delhi to the east. There are multiple number of domestic as well as international flights to and from Delhi airport, making it utmost easy for travelers to reach Delhi. Similarly, there are trains to Delhi from our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Delhi, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Delhi. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Rajput life partner in Delhi has been taken up by Rajput marriage bureaus or Rajput marriage consultancy in Delhi. Today I will introduce you a Rajput matrimonial service provider in Delhi which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Rajput families in Delhi for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Delhi, but the marriage bureau in Delhi who have changed the concept of Rajput partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Delhi. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Rajput family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Delhi. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Rajput matchmaking services in Delhi. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online come offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Delhi to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Delhi. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Delhi. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Delhi. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee, our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Rajput database of profiles in Delhi and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Delhi. Number 3. Our Rajput matchmaking service in Delhi fee ranges from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding menu and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Delhi. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Rajput matchmaking process in Delhi. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.